Hey, YouTubers, I got bad news. This is our Ninja coffee maker, and apparently some ants have decided they are living in it. They're like, look at this. There's like a whole bunch of them in there. I don't even understand how this is possible. But I was like, I need to share this as something that can happen. We are gonna be throwing this out. Look at that. Ugh, ants. You kidding me? So weird. Like, look at these things. There's no like food in there either, but they've like managed to make like dirt, and I feel like they're living behind this like sign thing. I don't know. So I started taking it apart. I'm taking this outside and I'm gonna finish taking it apart, but like, I don't know. I just had to share that this is a thing that can happen. Gross. Ugh, look at all those ants. I had to take it outside. It looks to me like they're living like in that hole. So strange. Can't tell if those are, I think those are eggs that they're moving around. Look at that craziness. Yeah, huh. We thought it was styrofoam at first when it first started happening. We were like, why is there styrofoam falling out? But no, I think this is full of eggs. Such a weird thing. We really like this coffee maker too. That's a shame. All right, once again, sorry, had to switch positions here. I'm gonna take this top off. Feel like there's something going on here. And it's, ooh, man, fell off. I don't see anything. Check the back of this plate here. No, nothing crazy going on there either. Although here, check this out. There's the dirt I was talking about. I don't know. Doesn't seem to be. Oh, I guess there is kind of like a weird layer in between. See how they're kind of like crawling in and out? Ants. Well, sorry to break the bad news that you can get ants in your coffee maker, but I don't know, this is one of those things like figure people need to know. Hey, as always, thanks for watching my reviews and notes on products. Please like and subscribe. I could use some new subscribers. Trying to monetize. Thumbs ups. Thanks again.